What are the 3 different marketplaces that you plan to sell in? Because, as I said, Amazon has something called unified marketplaces. So the unified marketplaces are marketplaces where one Seller Central account gives you access to selling in multiple different countries. So for instance, if you've set up your amazon.com.au account here in Oz, you will have probably seen that you also get access to amazon.jp, Amazon Japan. Indeed, for a little while there, anybody who tried to set up an amazon.com.au account, if you were in a specific part of Australia, you were automatically registered on Amazon Japan instead, and they had some IP issues that they've now worked out. So Amazon Australia gives you unified account of Amazon Japan, and it will also ultimately give you Amazon in New Zealand as well when they launch New Zealand, which they're planning to do, I am told, later next year. So that's one unified account, one email address, one Seller Central account fee, access to those marketplaces. In America, as we've just discussed, you get Mexico and Canada and America, that's linked together. In Europe, that's another unified account. So my Seller Central account in the UK also gives me access to Germany, which is the second biggest Amazon marketplace that they have. Fantastic marketplace. France, Italy, Spain, the Netherlands is coming online, Portugal's also coming online, Switzerland's also coming online. So you get all of those too, all linked together, one account, one email, one Seller Central fee. Amazon China, well, that's a standalone one, and Amazon India, that's also standalone too. So there's nothing unified about them. You get the one account and it just gives you access to that. So it depends on which marketplaces you want to sell in. If you want to go to marketplaces from different unified Amazon unified marketplaces, then you'll need to have 2 email addresses, 2 Seller Central accounts, and that's completely okay, but you cannot create a second Seller Central account using the email address from another unified account. So if you want to sell in England, you need to use another email address. You can't use the same one that you're using in America. That won't work. You need a new email address. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.